Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Smartsheet and wanted a super simple way to visualize the health or status of your tasks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through one of the easiest ways to color code your progress using a handy Smartsheet formula for health, and I'll show you two different variations you can try right away. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up automatic health indicators in your projects, making tracking and reporting just that much clearer. Let's jump straight into our first approach. This one's perfect if your Smartsheet includes a percent complete column, which is pretty common for those tracking tasks or milestones. The idea is to automatically label each task as green, yellow, or red, depending on how far along it is. So here's the formula you'll use in your health column. Equals if percent complete at row equals 1, green. If percent greater or equals 0.5, yellow. Red. Let's break down how this works and more importantly, why it's set up this way. Imagine each task as a runner in a race. The percent complete column tracks how close each runner is to the finish line. With this formula, if a task is 100% done, that means the runner has crossed the finish line. Smartsheet labels it as green. This is a clear visual cue that things are complete, and whoever's reviewing the sheet can instantly see that this task is fully taken care of. Now, what about a task that's halfway or more but not quite done? That's where the yellow comes in. If percent complete is at least 0.5 or 50%, your health column will show yellow. Think of this like a caution light. Things are underway, you're making decent progress, but maybe there's more to do or some details to wrap up before you get the green status. It's a fantastic way for a manager or team member to spot which tasks are in progress at a glance and prioritize support where it's needed. And finally, if you're looking at tasks that are less than halfway finished, say 20% or maybe they haven't been started at all, those get the red label. Red's a universal sign for needs attention. It's instantly clear that these tasks haven't kicked off or are lagging behind. This approach is awesome for teams that want to quickly identify where their bottlenecks are without reading through every single line. One thing I want to reassure you, don't worry if your percentages are decimals instead of whole numbers, or if your tasks move between yellow and red as you update the percent complete column. That's exactly how this formula is designed to help you. It's totally dynamic, so each time you update task progress, the health column updates automatically. And if you're working with a team, everyone can see it in real time. What I love about this is how visual it makes project management. If you think about a busy project schedule, you want to be able to open up your sheet and see within a second which tasks are humming along, which ones need your attention, and which ones are totally done. This simple three-color system, green, yellow, red, communicates that instantly, just like a traffic light controlling the flow of your project. Give this formula a try in your next Smartsheet. I think you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to keep your team aligned. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and be sure to drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe because I've got more Smartsheet tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching and good luck supercharging your next project.